Meaning of free spirit.
Free spirit.
Free spirit.
Free spirit.
Free spirit. The term free spirit refers to an individual who values personal freedom and resists conformity. Free spirits tend to embrace unconventional lifestyles and express themselves through creative pursuits, such as art or music. They prioritize the pursuit of happiness and fulfillment over material success and societal expectations. Free spirits are often seen as adventurous, spontaneous, and open-minded. While they may face criticism or resistance from those who don't understand their perspective, free spirits remain true to themselves and their unique vision for their life.